Good morning, Mary. The pool is very dirty today.
Yes, I see. There are many leaves in the water.
I will get the net. Can you check the chlorine level?
Of course, I will test the water now.
Thank you. The guests will arrive at 10 o'clock.
The chlorine is low. We need to add more.
Okay, I will finish cleaning the leaves first.
Good. I will add the chlorine now. How much water is in the pool?
It is full. The filter is working well.
Perfect. Can you clean the chairs and umbrellas too?
Yes, I will do that. Are the towels ready?
Yes, they are. I put them in the cabinet this morning.
Great. The pool area looks much better now.
Yes, the water is clear and clean. The guests will be happy.
I will check the temperature. Is it warm enough?
Yes, it is 28 degrees. That is good.
Excellent. We are ready for the day. Good teamwork.
Yes, let's open the pool area now.